Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you check your record in Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to check records, you just simply have to open your Bitget application. And after opening the Bitget application, you will get to see this option of assets into the bottom right corner. Simply tap into that option, and after that select any of your sport features, earns, and many more options. Just simply select any of those. I'm selecting sport for now, and you will get this little icon into the top right side. Just simply tap into that, and as you can see here, this is your records or transaction history. Just simply check this page, and you can also filter out from these two drop downs. Just simply select any of the suitable options for you, and you can easily check your transaction history or records into your Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.